All right, so now we have the first part of our condition, of our if condition. So if the button is not pressed, what do we want to happen to our outputs? So we have three outputs, one going to a green LED, one going to a red LED, and another one going to a red LED. So I'm going to give myself some space underneath the comment. Usually I'll give myself about 3 lines. And now the command that will allow me to send information or send a signal, in this case 5 volts, out into our LEDs, that will be digital write. Okay, so for an output, we do digital write, and let's see, parentheses, and let's start with pin 3, comma. So what we want to happen if pin 3, in this case is our green LED, if the button is not pressed, we want the green light to be on. So in this case it will be high. Then close parentheses and semicolon. And just for our, because this is the first bit of code we're writing, it's good practice to make notes, make comments for yourself. So pin 3 is, this is the green LED. Okay, next line, another digital write, open parentheses. Pin 4 is, that's a red LED, and we want that to be off if our button is not pressed in, or switch is not pressed in, semicolon, and we'll give ourselves a comment here that this is a red LED, and then digital write. This is pin 5, and we want this one off as well. Semicolon, and comment red LED. Okay. All right, and so we have, and you know, when we added this open curly bracket, we have the closing one. They already added this closing one here. So as long as in terms of curly brackets, you have to have the same amount of opening curly brackets as you do closing brackets, and it looks like we're good here. We have 2 opening and 2 closing. But this bit of code here means that in the situation that the switch state is low, meaning that the button is not pressed in, there's no power there, then the digital pin 3 will have will have 5 volts going to it. So the green LED will light up, and then the 2 red LEDs will be low, meaning they will not be lit.